seeing Aida?
Yes.
Love Aida.
But what a nice thing that I'm not going to give him a plug.
Yes,
but,
no,
you know
but they
what I mean?
stream
But that,
it for people.
Yes, from the Met. I love
And
it.
you don't even have to go to the big fancy opera. You can go to the movie theater
So
and dress
happy.
all up.
We're going to go in our
gorgeous
jams.
and
Just
with
kidding,
the
we won't.
diamonds.
With the diamonds.
Go with jammies and diamonds. That actually should be a birthday party theme. Now, this is the first day you're seeing it at a sale price. This had my jaw on the floor, truly. I actually think I might have... Do I have the right card? Yes. I do.
What, price too low?
I was just keeping everyone. I was
In
keeping everyone on their toes. Seeing if Jen up there was paying attention. You're saving.
Do you not keep a secret very well?
No.
No.
I literally, I can't.
I can tell you're just like me.
I just say whatever I think, which gets me in trouble.
What's your sign?
I'm a Sagittarius.
Me too. See?
Yeah, exactly.
It's a curse and a blessing.
Life of the party.
Right. We can't play poker. No.
No, and so I'm going to be honest with you when I say you're saving $505 on this. 5 easy payments of $360 will get this home. On that QVC 18-month special financing with the Q card, we're talking $99.99. This is the Affinity Diamonds Baguette and Round Bangle. So you're getting that great cut. You have the choice of just our white gold left, or we are sold out of our yellow gold, and it is last call. We have 6 bracelets in the average and 2 in the large, and no small.
What did you say about $99? I was doing something.
Oh, that's 18-month special financing on the Q card.
So if I get my Q card.
Yeah, if you get a Q card, or if you have a Q card.
That's a good thing.
This had my jaw on the floor because that's why I wanted to make sure I had the right card.
Really
this
nice
truly
bracelet.
Is simple and elegant. It is just that gorgeous piece that looks so dainty, but this is what I picture the Grace Kelly's wearing.
Yes, yes, absolutely. You know, I hate to give this up. I know it's yellow gold. You don't mind if I show it in yellow gold?
No, no.
Okay. So it's an oval shape. It's only in white gold. So I didn't want to hold it and then oh, look. Oh, love. Yes, absolutely. That never-ending circle of life as well. It's got a single safety catch. See the little button up at the top? What you do is you push that down and then you pull it apart.
Oh, so you've got that extra security in there.
Yes, and the hinge is nice. It doesn't open too far, but far enough for you to get your wrist right in there without any kind of issues or drama. I like jewelry without drama.
Yeah.
I don't want a lot of fuss. I don't want a lot of muss. I just want the diamonds. I want to see a lot of them.
Right,
and they better be high quality.
And the high quality diamonds that Affinity Diamonds brings, it truly is unbelievable. And as someone who's new at QVC, I get stopped in my tracks because I can't believe these are real diamonds, but they are, and they are just so well done. Beautifully cut in that way.
We've been so consistent with our quality.
Yes.
Like we under-promise and over-deliver.
Yeah.
And I think that's been the key to our success here for over 20 years. We've been the cornerstone of the jewelry department. Our diamond department is exploding here at QVC with lots of love and lots of new product that's going to be debuting on Friday, where we have our big event launching and happening all throughout the day as well. But what's cool about today and working with John here is that you're seeing a lot of sale prices that on our best merchandise. You know, a lot of our best merchandise comes in our vault in small quantities right now because we've sold it all out. When you go into the vault, have you ever been in the vault?
No.
You go in the vault,
when do we go?
I'm not allowed very often. But it's all of these little drawers, right? It's kind of like safety deposit boxes at a bank.
Right.
The drawers don't change their size. So when we get these in, let's say we get 500 and it fills the drawer. I don't know if it does, but let's say it does, fills the drawer. It costs us the same to house those 500 as it does 5 that are left.
Wow.
So it doesn't mean it's a bad item. It just means it's sold all but a couple. And we got to make room for new stuff. So when they slash these prices like they are today on QVC2, this is the good stuff. You know, you should grab these deals if you've had your eye on them, because when they're gone, they are gone.
It sounds like people are grabbing them because we have one left.
Oh, I hope you
large.
get it. I hope you do.
One left in the
whoever's
large.
dreaming about it out there.
And then we have a couple left in the average. The small has sold out, as has our other color. So you just have this
check out of your cart.
piece. Yes, make sure you check out of your cart. Do as I say, not as I do, because I am someone who learned that lesson the hard way here. I was shopping on QVC and left things in there, went and ran errands, and then everything was gone.
It makes me so mad when I do that.
Like, oh, Jen had to bring it up, like that black bracelet that I was going to buy and the black ring. But
we'll
you know
work
what?
on that for you.
We've got some great options for you I mean, look at that sparkle, look at that shine, look at those different cut stones
Yeah.
of the diamonds. This is the time to pick up that piece, as we were saying, that really just
We're doing a little
makes you
spring
feel-
cleaning.
Yes.
Yeah, and that's it. And you're just getting an outstanding deal
Yeah.
on something that is so fine. One of our best,
5
honestly.
easy payments of $360. I mean, we have one left in the large, so do
Meant
not
to be.
wait. It truly is. That is, people are racing to the phone. It's item number J435445, so call 800-500-7590. Place those orders.
How decadent.
We have such a great price on this, and it's the first day you're seeing it at that sale price. 5 easy payments of $360 will get that home to you for a gorgeous, elegant piece. All right, we have a quick update on the ring we started with. We are now last call with our champagne.
Yay!